Hello everyone, I'm Gogi from Gogi.in and you're watching the review of WebZen Laser Keyboard. You can use this device on Windows, Android and iOS platforms. Now this device will create a virtual QWERTY keyboard using laser on any opaque flat surface. It's lightweight, easy to carry and you can connect it using Bluetooth or USB. There is a 700 mAh built-in battery that gives about 2 hours of working time and it can be fully charged in less than 4 hours. Inside the box you'll find the laser keyboard and data cable. This virtual laser keyboard almost looks like a cigarette lighter. It's made up of plastic with silver metallic finishing. The front side is black with glossy finish and with WebZen logo. Build quality is good. Weight is 61 grams. And on the right side you'll find the power button and micro USB port, that is to charge up the device or to connect it with a PC. Press the power button for a few seconds to switch on this device. This is the laser that creates the virtual keyboard. Next to it is the infrared light camera and this is the Bluetooth indicator. Place this device on a flat opaque surface and what you see here is the QWERTY keyboard. It might seem odd because you're working on a flat surface, but the keyboard is pretty accurate. When you are not using the keyboard, the laser will dim as you can see, and when you tap any of the keys, it will brighten up. You can connect this device using USB port or Bluetooth. I have paired the laser keyboard with my smartphone using Bluetooth, and as you can see, it's working pretty well. You can place the smartphone in front of you and simply type using both your hands on this virtual keyboard. It's much faster and very accurate. This laser keyboard is lightweight, portable and gives about 2 hours of usage on a single charge. It's a good option for those who travel, but do note that you need an opaque surface for this virtual keyboard to work. The WebZen laser keyboard is available for a price tag of Rs 4,599.